As our stop-start summer creaked into gear, and despite various sport-related distractions, our customers still managed to find time to make progress on their homes. We love seeing how you take our skirting and architrave and make it part of something special and unique. A theme emerged once more, and this time I seemed to be preoccupied with keeping warm, and radiators and fireplaces swayed my choices. The month began as I came across two great images where customers had installed radiators. Now, whilst we loved the fantastic radiator that at Little Edwardian Manor posted, especially knowing what it took to get it installed, I was more fascinated by the way that at 20 Tennyson solved a common problem. Fitting skirting around things like radiators can be a tricky challenge. It's always good to see how people solve problems differently, and often it's down to preference or budget. Some may have bought smaller skirting to run under them, others may have cut it around the pipe. Here though it looks like they've run a batten along the wall, that brings the skirting out to just beyond the pipe, which I think is quite a neat solution, and once it's painted over, will look great. One of the things I love to do is to look through who has tagged us in one of their pics, and because our account was dormant for quite a while, I've been catching up on people who shared their pics with us ages ago. So, when I came across at Son of a Tradesman's account via a post from last year, I was instantly gobsmacked by his style and taste. Looking through each picture he'd posted made it difficult to choose just one, but I went for this because it does a good job of capturing the classic elegance of his home. There's so much detail, where you can see a lot of thought has gone into the design, from the decor and the colors, to the use of light, and the form of the furniture. I'm sure we'll feature this wonderful home again in the future, as there is definitely more to see. This one may seem an odd choice, but I guess I was in the mood for something different this month, and time-traveling wallpaper seemed to scratch that itch. I don't know about you, but sometimes you want a reality check. Anyone who has done a renovation of any kind knows that it isn't always pretty, and it takes some hard graft to get your home insta-ready. That's why I think it's great when pages like At My 1905 House choose to show the not-so-glamorous side to it, along with the surprises that you can come across, which are all a part of the journey of turning a house into a home. In this case, they were the only people who had bothered to remove their BT box when decorating, in at least several decades, revealing this lone scrap of wallpaper from another era. What curiosities have you come across whilst renovating? We'd love to see the pics and hear your story. Who doesn't love including their pet in a photo, to make a room look complete, and give it a bit of warmth and life? We love how our roof skirting looks here, with contrast between the light and dark colors. The fireplace looks great in black too. As previous, At Ruby's new home doesn't shy away from the difficulties of taking on the refurbishment of a new home. But the video tour of the home, before they started work, is definitely worth a watch, as they venture forth into the unknown. They also found a surprise or two when renovating, but you can discover those yourself. This is a fantastic photo, posted on June 25th, that seemed the perfect way to start the countdown to the Yuletide season. Jenny's photo is obviously a special moment, but she captured it so beautifully that it seems almost timeless. With the special touch of classic toys, it evokes a traditional, nostalgic look for the festive period and, of course, we feel that the skirting, as well as the fireplace, are what helps to define that feeling. Nevertheless, once our products arrive at your door, it's you who ultimately creates the setting and atmosphere you're looking for, with your eye for design and personal taste, which is what makes each customer's Instagram journey so interesting. We'll be back next month to talk more about your posts, so if you're doing something unique, or are just at the start of your journey, we'll be happy to post your account and invite others to share the ups and downs with you. Just DM us with your details. If you have something you want us to see on Instagram, just tag @skirtingsareus in your photo, and put #SRUHome in the comments or description, if you're okay with us sharing it on our account. Come back soon for another video. Thank you for watching.